trendysongs.com.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gentle First. So I'm having this tutorial again tonight. I have another powerful strategy I'm going to teach you today. So before we hop into the main tutorial, please, I want you to do me a favor. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, or you have been watching and following me and haven't subscribed, please do so now. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will be among first people to review my video when I post the new winning strategy. Thank you. Before I start, let me show you the indicator I'm using and how we're going to use it. So the indicator I'm using is stochastic oscillator. Yeah, I'm using stochastic oscillator, and let me click on it. The percent K period is 15, percent D period 30, slowing 30, price feed low high, method simple, 3 pixel for the main style, and signal style is red, 3 pixel also, and the levels is 2080. So just click down. So how does this thing work? You see this? Okay, let me make the line of this thing thick. Let me make it 3 pixel and black color. It is sharp now. So how does this strategy work? And remember I said I'm using it on 5 minutes time frame. It is clear and more clearer on this time frame. That's why I'm using it, and it is awesome. So immediately you see this price reaching this 8 level as an overbought. Immediately it cross, then find a perfect entry to sell the market and take your TP at this 20, because before it's buy the one that will be totally against you, the market must have reached this 20 level, which is the oversold. Yeah. So let us backtest to know if this strategy work. And before I backtest, let me show you the small profit I have made, because I didn't scoop in at the right time. I just came back from where I am and saw this opportunity, decided to hoop in. Though I use small lot on this. You know, the normal lot of boom and crash 1000 is 0.20 cents. But I'm using 10 cents here, and look at the profit I'm in now, just small time. So let's backtest now. So this price has already crossed and it can reach our TP level, so I should have been taking my profit now. So let's backtest other way. So see this one, it has crossed here, and see how it moved massively and reached the TP level. So one thing trader you should understand is that if you are buying, if it crosses at 20, take your TP at 80. But if you are selling, if it crosses at 80, then sell and take your TP at 20. So that is the simple logic here. So we'll backtest more. Look at this one. It's crossed here at 20 and reach the TP. Awesome. Look at this one also. Cross here and reach the TP. Awesome. Look at this one. Do it didn't reach, but and when it is doing like this, the thing is ranging. You are supposed to be out of the trade. Don't take this type of trade. This type of trade, the thing is ranging and it is not good. With my YPO, it might go in your favor, but to be on safer side, don't trade this kind of trade. Yeah. So see another one. It crossed below 20% sell, and how it moved massively. And if you are a kind of look at this one. So that is all for today. And if you find this thing more valuable, please hit the subscribe button, share this video and subscribe please. Thank you guys.